How to fix login not available right now on WhatsApp iPhone. So if you want to fix login not available right now on your WhatsApp iPhone, then what you need to do is first you just need to simply open up your settings. After opening your settings, you need to go with the general section. Under general, you will have iPhone storage. Tap on iPhone storage and then scroll down and you will find your WhatsApp, right? So you need to find your WhatsApp, and here you need to go with offload app and then tap on offload, which is on the bottom. Once you've offloaded, then your problem might be fixed. If that doesn't fix your problem, then you need to contact with WhatsApp support team. So in order to contact to WhatsApp support team, what you need to do is just simply go with your search or Safari and search for WhatsApp contact. After searching, you'll have this kind of interface. So tap on WhatsApp contact, which is on the first one, and from here you need to scroll down a bit, select a reason. So I'll go with WhatsApp support and tap on contact us, and now it will take you to this kind of interface. So you just need to simply go with your mobile number with the country code and then the email address, and again confirm your email address and select what device you're using right now. So I'll go with iPhone and then enter your message below. Like, you need to write that in my case, login is not available right now on my WhatsApp, so please fix this problem. And after writing that, you can go with the next step, which is on the bottom, and send your question. After sending your question, you might receive your answer or you'll get some possible solutions. That's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.